In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Defender Application Guard on Windows 11. This is a useful security feature that helps create a more isolated browsing environment, which can add an extra layer of protection while you're using Microsoft Edge. The setup is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along Bismillah and know what to expect during the process. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In that box, type Optional Features, then press Enter. This will open the Windows Features window where you can turn certain built-in Windows components on or off. Once the Windows Features window appears, scroll down through the list until you find Microsoft Defender Application Guard. Take your time here, since the list can be fairly long. When you locate it, click the checkbox next to Microsoft Defender Application Guard to enable it. After that, click OK. Windows will begin installing the required files for this feature. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the installation to complete. During this part, it's normal for Windows to process changes in the background. When prompted, restart your computer. This restart is important because it allows Windows to finish applying the feature properly. If you skip it, Application Guard may not be fully enabled. After your computer starts back up, open Microsoft Edge. When Edge is open, go to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you'll find additional options related to browsing and security. From that menu, select New Application Guard window. This will launch a separate, isolated browser session. The purpose of this special window is to help protect your main system by keeping that browsing session separated from the rest of Windows. Once the new browser window opens, look for the Application Guard indicator. This is how you confirm that the feature has been enabled successfully and that you are browsing in the protected environment. If you see that indicator, then everything is working correctly. At that point, Microsoft Defender Application Guard is fully enabled on your Windows 11 device, and you can use this isolated window whenever you want a more secure browsing session in Edge. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to enable Microsoft Defender Application Guard on Windows 11.